What is up, guys? Good morning. Belgrade, first morning. It's 17 degree-ish. It's pretty good. From balcony view. And I kind of wanted to take a shot of like normal daily life. I wanted to kind of show you guys a glimpse of what it's like to live in Belgrade. Like, you know, the lady over there is hanging the wash clothes, and you know, like kind of people watching here. That's kiosk, and I hear kids, you know, screaming. So I think somewhere they're playing, right? And that's the church. So yeah, people. That's grandma over there. Very frugal life. I don't dislike it here. And the guys on the rooftop drinking. You know, you see a guy. Right, anyways, I'm gonna go explore the city today, take a drone video, and go from there. You see two guys behind me? Those guys on the rooftop, they're drinking probably, or people watching. Anyways, it's not cold as in like Krakow or Wrocław. It's pretty, I would say, warm. So I'm gonna go explore Belgrade today, take video shots and whatnot. So I'll see you guys in next video. Bye. Right, guys, so just finished flying my drone outside Belgrade Fortress, and I'm going to climb up the stairs all the way here. That's a fortress. Belgrade のね、お城。クライムアップして、まあクライムダウンしてここで撮ってたんだけど、なんか映画で使われそうだね、この芝生とか城とかね。こういう感じで。Yeah, so I think I got the hang of using quick shot and a cinematic shot, but like a drone shot, I need to be careful that drone is not gonna hit something behind it because it's gonna fly backwards. Whereas helix, I cannot seem to use this feature because if you are too close from a drone, then you won't be able to have a wider, you can capture something around, but if you're too far away, Mavic Pro is not gonna focus on your face. And rocket mode, it was good. So, and also, you know, I didn't do active tracking shot or point of interest. Oh, I should have done point of interest. I kind of did it manually by flying my drone, you know, orbiting the main object up in air, but it was good. Got plenty of time flying, 23 minutes, it was good. So I'm gonna go back to where I was at, the tip of the fortress, and head home. It's pretty hot with direct sun, so I need to drink water or get ice cream. Such a nice day. It's supposed to be 15 degrees today right now, but it seems like with the sun it looks like 18, and tomorrow it'll be 20 degrees. So yeah, it's a very quiet place, not many people here, only like a few tourists, maybe because it's already off season. It's already October. Like that, got all Whew. It's like a cinematic shot here. And nice view. You can see the river. Lots of natures here. Alright. Alright, going up. Came from there. It's pretty hot today. It's because it's so sunny. I didn't have this sunshine in Poland. Not enough. I kind of missed it. Tomorrow it's gonna be hotter, so it's good for me. When you're taking vacation, you don't want rain and snow, cold weather. But that's pretty much it, guys. This is Belgrade Fortress. It's just a wide, huge park. That's all it is. I appreciate this kind of spacious, public place because not many huge parks are found in Japan. So I like it. You just walk around, and also it's close to downtown. So like 5 minutes walk from the main public square. So it's really convenient. And in getting in nature, go have a nice city view, and it's really nice. I really appreciate this, especially with nice weather like this. It's perfect. Oh, that's a cruise ship, eh? It's very hot. I think I could be just wearing t-shirts right now. But this is the main statue in Belgrade Fortress. Like that. Anyways, I think that's good enough. Gonna walk back